Because I'm a tech diversity student, I get to master the art of web development, UI/UX design, data analytics, and cybersecurity. It's not just about learning over here. It's about conquering the essential skills that will set me apart in the tech world.
As a tech diversity student, critical thinking becomes second nature. You will learn to dissect problems, find creative solutions, and approach challenges with a mindset that is ready for tech industry dynamic landscape.
Of course, as a tech diversity student, you have the ability to express your ideas in captivating ways. Tech jargons become the second language, and you'll be able to communicate your solution with clarity and confidence.
It's not just a piece of paper, it's your tech identity that opens doors to exciting opportunities.
As a tech diversity student, you get exposure to new ways of thinking and unlock various employment opportunities. It is not just about learning, it is about stepping into a world where your skills are in high demand.
Of course, as a tech diversity student, excellence deserves some recognition because you know what? You get a free paid internship with InstinctHub where you get to put your skills into a real life scenario.
Of course, as a tech diversity student, excellence is celebrated. The top students receive free certificates. Meanwhile, the high-performing students are also eligible for paid certificates. Your hard work don't go unnoticed.
We understand your commitment, and this program is planned to last for the next 12 weeks, taking approximately 7 to 8 hours weekly. And guess what? This makes it flexibility mixed with success.
Of course, as a tech diversity student, you will have complete access to our user-friendly learning management system. It's your gateway to a wealth of resources, making your learning experience seamless.
You connect with a supportive community of a like-minded individual. Mentorship is not just a word, it's a guiding force throughout your journey.
Are you ready to unlock your tech potential? Sign up for Tech Diversity and become part of a community that is going to change the world of tech.